isa. Hold up the okay, go! Louder.
Ewa pa dan.
How about Ebat Adan? That's Adan, no?
Yung broccoli ka? Broccoli.
11. 20!
Yay!
How about 22, number 1? 20, 19, go! Yay! Teacher, can you sing Putok? Hindi, wala, bakit na siya? Kasi nakita niya yung camera mo. Louder, ready, so, Putok the cookie! Louder, 1, 2, 3, go! Go, sing! Water. No, I want you to sing. Look at my eyes, oh. You sing Putok the cookie louder. Like this, oh, look at mommy. Louder. More louder like this, oh. Hold up the cookie, go! Louder.
Ewa pa dan.
How about Ebat Adan? That's Adan, no? How about...
Louder, louder. Ewa pa dan.
You louder, you shout like this, oh. Ebat Adan, go!
Alam mo na.
Alam mo na? 1, 2, 3, oh. How about chicken banana, louder? Well, pocket face. How about the chuchua? Well, pocket face. Okay, what is her daddy's name? How about mommy's name? Mommy? What is her name? How old are you? What is her favorite color? What is her favorite food? What is her favorite fruit? Pinag-combine yun. You want to be an? Oh, teacher, can you tell me the 7 days of the week? Two. Sun? Sunday! Can you tell me the months of the year? We have June,
June.
D. Yay! How about you count 1 to
Kabisado niya eh, no?
Meron pa yung planets. 1 to 20.
Yung broccoli ka? Broccoli.
11. 20!
Yay!
How about 22, number 1? 20, 19, go! Yay! How about,
Sabi mo na lang, makapamura siya.
can you tell me all the planets? The 8 planets, right? We have Mercury. Yay!